So it's really easy, guys. All you got to do is go over to Google, and once we're there, guys, Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on Tango Live. So as you can see, I got 1,250. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins. So let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, then we're going to be all good to go, guys. So I'm just going to let it load up, and we should be all set. So let's see what happens to our Tango Live, and then we're going to be rich. So no change yet, but it says they were activated, so let's see if it goes up. And no, yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this, so let's get straight into the video. It works on iOS and Android, so if you guys are tired of having no coins on Tango Live, I'll show you how to do it. So first things first, open the browser, type tweakmod.com, and then once you're on the site, just go to the search bar, type in Tango, press install. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification. This is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, I don't do videos like this anymore, but I had to share TweakMod because they are an incredible site with really good mods and stuff like that. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's loading up right now. So let's just see what happens, and it's just gonna say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. Could do TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, and that's how I get Tango Live mod for your device. So it's super awesome, guys. Fully works for all platforms. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in having free Tango Live coins. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works, brotherhood.